I am Vijayashree Parameswaran, and I am a founding partner of two businesses, Aryan Apparels and UT. I'm a graduate in commerce, specialized in business administration, and an experienced HR professional and leader. It's 10 years in business, and I hit the jackpot of completing my C transformation program from Stanford University. It truly transformed me from a first-time amateur business person to a full-blown business person. Past 10 years has been great journey in building, enabling businesses, contributing to a global supply chain. About this course, the program was very insightful. A whole lot of new learnings and knowledge was gained. It opened up a new whole dimension in myself. It was truly fantastic, and it has been an extremely valuable program. I could put the knowledge into practice, and the practical application was so positive and helped me boost my confidence. The tutor was amazing, rich in experience, fantastic. He was patient, ensured all participants were involved, and shared great insights, his own personal experiences, and very informative, calm, composed, constructive responses. All individual answers were given a comment, which helped me understand if I even missed something. The exercises that encourage us to do on our own, conduct research, and it helped develop our knowledge and brought in a great amount of confidence and also a possibility that yes, we can go and apply this program in the outside world. On a personal front, it has been a huge shift in a way that I look at everything, and my approach has been very much influenced with the belief that everyone wants to be their best and being very non-judgmental. That has been a huge shift. It has also made me very optimistic. I'm already a very optimistic and positive person. It has just deepened and broadened that. It's been a revelation, actually. The cohorts were amazing with the amount of varied experiences, varied fields they came from, and how humbly they opened up to the group. There was a great bonding and lot of love shared. I think this is a relationship for lifetime. Thanks a ton, Inder. Thank you.